G'day guys, welcome back. Now today we're going to have a look at this rechargeable work light from Macrocosm. I picked this up from Temu for under $5. I think it was like $4.80 Australian. As you can see here, it is a 1+7 SMD LED light. That's the model number, G51. It's pretty portable, fairly small box as you can see. It basically fits in your pocket. And this charges up on a Type-C cable, which is good to see rather than the, micro USB Android cables. It also has a built-in battery. It's a little lithium ion cell, a 14500 size cell there. Strong magnet and a metal hook on the bottom base there near the magnet. So you can actually hook this up, especially if you're into camping. You hook it up in your tent. So yeah, box has got nothing much to it. There's some details on the side here. Model number G51. Power supply DC 5V 1A, and of course it's got that 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. So let's have a look at it, guys. I'll take it out of the box and we'll see what we get for $4.80 Australian. Alright guys, this is what we get. Very basic. We've got the torch, the charger, and the smallest of spec sheets here. Okay, and as you can see, the specifications there, it's got LED plus a COB light. It's made out of ABS plastic and it's got 4 light modes: strong, low, strobe, and the LED light. And once again, like I mentioned, it's got the 14500 lithium ion battery there. So here is the USB Type-C charger cable from Type A to Type C. And here's a little work light, guys. As you can see, it's rather portable, fits in your pocket. Okay, got our on and off switch just there, and just under this tab, underneath the switch, we've got the charging port there, the Type-C charging port. Alright, and it's got this little neat rubber cover there to stop any water or dust getting in. On the bottom here we have our little metal hook. Okay, and here's where the magnet is, guys, on the bottom base too. We'll just take that sticker off, and as you can see, there's the COB LED light just there, and on the front here we've got our little pointer light as well. So yeah, this whole arm can swivel, okay, in both directions, all the way that way, all the way to the front as well. So let's test out the lights quickly. We'll just press it on once. Then we've got our LED battery indicator there. As you can see, it's pretty much full, and there is the high brightness setting. Okay, if I press it again, that's the low brightness. Strobe, press it the 4th time, and we've got that little one LED pointer light there. So let's see if I can just show you. There it is there. We cycle through again, we turn it off, cycle through. So that's the brightness, high bright, low brightness, strobe, and once again LED pointer light. Okay, now this does have a magnet, so let's just grab, got this LED camping light which has a magnet on it. Okay, so it definitely weighs more than this little lamp here, and let's just pick it up. So you can see I'm shaking it around, and it's got a pretty strong magnet there, guys. All right, so yeah, this little lamp would be ideal actually to have in your glove box of your car, just in case, to have a handy for any tire blowouts at night, or even if you have engine troubles at night on a road trip. So yeah, in the event that you might break down, you just magnetize this to your hood, adjust it, have that magnetized to the bonnet of your car, and that way you'll be able to see what's going on if you have any engine trouble. So I like how it's fully adjustable too, swivels both ways. So once again, this is an actual power bank. Okay, so I'm going to charge it up. So you just plug it in, C-type charger, and there you have it, guys. It's charging up off the power bank. And this shouldn't take that long to charge, because this has a lithium ion battery, which is basically the size of a AA battery here, the 14500 cell. So it's exactly the same size as a standard AA battery. So anyway, guys, I'll show some footage using this at night. We'll see how bright it is at night, just to give you an indication of its true brightness rather than on during the day on the bench here. And yeah, so far I do recommend this, especially for the price. Like I said, I bought this for under $5 on Temu. So yeah, if you're interested in having a look, I'll leave links in the description below, and you can check it out yourself, guys. All right. I'll also leave a special code if you're new to Temu and you want to download the app. You might get a bunch of coupons using my code and link to the Temu app. So go check it out if you wish to, and that'll be the end of this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next budget tech video. Have a great day. Bye for now.